Romeel, for those of you who don't know me, which I think is no one. And I work on cosmological hydrodynamic simulations. I'm really wanting this to be sort of an interactive conference. We have this sort of U-shaped thing, right? So it's feel free to jump in, ask questions, talk. If you have something interesting to say, we'd love to hear it. So yeah, this goes for everyone. So we have a couple of group discussions that are led by various randomly picked people, and no one has shouted at me and said they didn't want to do it, so I'm assuming they're all doing it. To borrow a phrase from Cora, of course, DNVR, be nice and respectful. There will be a best game drive photo, okay, so we'll competition, and so, so snap away. And we are in Kruger National Park. We've just come in the Malalane Gate, and we're driving along the Crocodile River, seeing if we can see stuff. MeerKAT is, of course, a radio telescope out in the Karoo, 64 dishes. It's working, that's the cool thing about it. This background image, which doesn't look that great on this projector, is was a first line image. It has over something like 1,300 sources, I think, and previously in that field about 70 were known. So that tells you sort of the increase in sensitivity that we're going to get over large areas. Goal here is to start a conversation between observers and theorists about what we can use radio data, how we can model radio data better, what are the interesting questions that we might go for,